In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Payday 2 with friends on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a lobby and play with your friends on Xbox. This will work with any Xbox console, old gen or new gen. However, something that I need to make very clear is that the console version of Payday 2 is not compatible with PC. So you will not be able to do crossplay between PC and Xbox. PC players can only play on Steam or Epic, and they can crossplay between themselves, but they cannot crossplay with Xbox players, so keep that in mind. So what you have to do is from the home screen, log into crime.net and start a new contract. So you can choose any of the random ones that pop up periodically, or you can go into the contract broker to buy these contracts using money. So when you start any new contract, you will find yourself at the lobby. In the lobby of a specific contract, all that you have to do is choose the option to invite friends, as you can see here. So by choosing this option, a menu will appear and you can send out the invites for everyone who is going to join you. You can have up to 4 players in a single lobby, and like I said, this will work as long as they are playing the console version of Payday 2. You will not be able to invite them if they are playing on Steam or Epic Games, aka PC. So just choose the invite friends option here and you will see your friends list for your current platform, Xbox, and you can invite them. If you still need to add them to your Xbox friends list, this will be done outside of the game. They just share their gamer tag with you, you find their gamer tag, send an invite, and now they will be added to Xbox. Afterwards, you can choose the option to invite friend. When they join, everyone will ready up, and then you can go ahead and start the raid so you can start playing. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Payday 2 with Friends Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.